Assalamu alaikum students. So KhurramKashan is here, and today I am introducing some more MCQs and some words about business and other concepts. So let's start.
Question 1. Which sentence is correct? I have gone there. Question 2. Which word is correct? A lot. Question 3. Which sentence is correct? She is married to him. Question 4. Which sentence is correct? They're going home. Question 5. Which sentence is correct? He is good at math. Question 6. Which word is correct? Comment the answer. Question 1. How many countries are there in the world? $195. Question 2. Which country has the largest population? India. Question 3. Which country has the largest land area? Russia. Question 4. Which country has the most pyramids? Sudan. Question 5. Which country has the most islands? Sweden. Question 6. Which country has the highest average IQ? Japan.
What is the meaning of revenue? One like, please. The answer is income. What is the meaning of liability? The answer is obligation. What is the meaning of equity? The answer is ownership. What is the meaning of dividend? The answer is bonus. What is the meaning of inventory? The answer is stock. What is the meaning of negotiate? The answer is bargain. What is the meaning of contract? The answer is agreement.